Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko. I'm Gesto. And for today's episode 34, must-try drinks plus mukbang by Backyard Milktea. Backyard Milktea experience the authentic taste of freshly brewed tea with the finest selected milk topped with their homemade cheesecake to satisfy your day. They're located at Sideyard Pub, Paseo de Arcangeles, Diversion Road, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Beside Langford, they're open every day starting 1 p.m. until 10 p.m. And they're available for pickup and delivery, minimum of 5 orders for free delivery. And for their sweetness level, 25% and up. And this episode is semi-sponsored by Backyard Milktea. And for full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. And I would like to shout out these two persons na big fan of Backyard Milktea. First is Christy Nemenzo Corestison and also si Ray Tequila Mendoza. Shout out sa inyo dalawa. Thank you for your suggestions and for recommending Backyard Milktea. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga mates, we have new drinks and food by Backyard. So let's start. For our first product, is their Siomai for 10 pieces for 100 pesos. Kama na silang sauce. Yan. Tapos yung kalamansi. Ito, solid yung laman ng siomai. Sobrang daming meat niya. Tapos yung nagustuhan ko dito, yung chili sauce nila. At ang sarap ng combination for their siomai with their special chili sauce. Okay, mag-start na po tayo for milk tea taste test. For our first drink is their Wintermelon Milktea for 99 pesos. I'm not a big fan of Wintermelon, pero for this drink, ito ma-appreciate mo lalo yung Wintermelon essence niya. Tapos hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness niya, na thumbs up sa akin. Yung personal, sobrang amazed ako kasi similar siya for its softness, yung suman-like sweetness or taste for this drink. For our next drink is their Milktea Cheesecake for 99 pesos. Very unique yung taste for their pearls. Well complement siya for its flavors and overall ingredients. At yung cheesecake niya, napaka-smooth ng texture, hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness. Alam mo, baka maubos ko to. Burst talaga yung delicious milk tea flavor. Our next drink, their Oreo Cheesecake for 115 pesos. Grabe. Parang gusto ko talaga siyang ubusin, to be honest. Kasi I'm a big fan of suman. Parang na-appreciate ko siya. Comes sa Oreo granules, tapos yung cheesecake, well complement sila for this drink. Yung tea essence niya, hindi na mawala for its milk tea. Yung ingredients, sobrang high quality for its standard. For our next drink is their Oolong Cheesecake for 99 pesos. And fun fact lang mga nos, yung Oolong is a black tea or semi-oxidized tea. If you're a big fan of Oolong or black tea, I must suggest you go for their Oolong series. This has been one of the best Oolong cheesecake I've ever tasted for my taste test vlogs. Ito masasabi mo talaga yung strong Oolong, hindi naging absence yung cheesecake. It best partner with yung pearls nila. For our next drink is their Oolong Oreo Cheesecake for 115 pesos. And by the way mga nos, before I forget, ito pa yung newest drink nila, Namit Di Kaayo. Yung difference ng Oolong Cheesecake at yung Oolong Oreo Cheesecake, lighter version nila for their Oolong Cheesecake, pero with a twist of Oreo granules, ulit ka na for its Oolong tea essence, yung cheesecake essence, and also for their pearls. Well blend sila, lalo nag-boost yung Oolong tea essence niya. Okay, for rating mga nos, for their siomai, I'll give this a perfect 10. For their Wintermelon Milktea, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Milktea Cheesecake, I'll give this perfect 10. Oreo Cheesecake, I'll give this perfect 10. For Oolong Cheesecake, I'll give this perfect 10. For their new flavor, Oolong Oreo Cheesecake, I'll give this a perfect 10. Upon first look, parang ordinary siomai siya, pero hindi. Siksik ng laman for its meat. Chili sauce niya, sobrang on point yung spiciness. I-recommend ko for on-the-go products. Wintermelon Milktea, big fan of cheesecake, I would suggest si Milktea Cheesecake, and si Oreo Cheesecake. So sa mga mahilig sa Oolong base or black tea, I would suggest si Oolong Cheesecake and yung new flavor nila, si Oolong Oreo Cheesecake. It comes sa service and quality for backyard, on point sila, very passionate sila when it comes sa preparation for their drinks and also for their food. They could also compete for existing international milk brands here in the Philippines. For anything else, happy first monthsary for Backyard. Thank you so much for accommodating me in my initial taste test and also for my vlog taste test review. So Backyard maintains our good service, good quality of products, very accommodating baristas and owners, and a certified drinking notes standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations! Thank you for watching mga Nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings from my Drinking Nos channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Jessa saying, keep safe and bye!